What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to change the color schema using the WPBakery WordPress page builder plugin. So how to change the default colors, the colors preset. A couple of elements when you add on WPBakery have default colors, like for example buttons, pay attentions, backgrounds, texts, background colors. So those colors can follow your brand color style. How to change this? First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard and review left sidebar of menus. Before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. So, go to the WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over WPBakery next to Tools and Settings, between Tools and Settings. Hover a mouse over it and just click on WPBakery Page Builder. It's gonna load you this new menu. Make sure that your plugin is updated. If you are not seeing this menu, let me know into the comments, okay? So go to the color picker settings, okay? Once right here, we have a couple of colors to play with. Define the color schema available on WPBakery Color Picker as color presets. Add your brand or frequently used colors for quick access. Those settings affect only the color picker and will not affect any theme settings, okay? So this is only about the plugin, elements, options, widgets, colors, okay? So the default color, the color one, the color of the text probably. You can click right here and change this color in the way that you want. Just like this, for example. So you can click on, you just need to select, pick and click out of the window. Just like this, for example. Let me change this to a little darker one. This head gonna be, in my case, purple one. This is gonna be a green one. So you can change in the way that you want, and after this all you have to do is hit the save change button. Oh, I don't like the results I got. No problem. You can restart default, so restore default. You're gonna set all of the default colors, or if you want and you want to change only a color, you can use RGB, HSLA. You can cancel, or you can come back to default. So even if you change the color right here, you always can click into the single color and go back to default and save the change. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And finally, the plugin devs added this tool to make our work easier. I highly recommend that you spend the time setting up default fonts, default colors, logo types, slogans and other things on your site before working on the design, okay? So do those presets. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates and tools to build up your site using Elementor, WPBakery or Gutenberg block editor, and it's a totally free WordPress plugin. In addition, we have the best free WordPress theme that gives you pre-built websites. That is our Enzo WordPress theme. Also can be downloaded for free. In addition, in the case that you would like to submit your blog or to publish some content on some other blogs or to connect with a growing blogging community, to Trash, for marketing, for collaboration, go to growth with 3ws.net and review the platform. You can submit and find sites for free. Talking about free things, we have the sites.gallery website, a place where we can promote your site, your apps, your games, your landing pages, your stores, and all it's free as well. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium themes, plugins, options, icons, images, and many more content for you to create the site of our dreams and to use internet on your site's favor. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!